wondered why your live launch challenges are not converting into the sales you want? Now, it's not your offer and it's not your fault. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you the number one reason why most live challenges fail. But first, who am I? Right, well, my name's Polly and I help digital course creators explode their sales by creating their challenge funnels. That's all the design, the copy, the emails, the automations, all the funnel pages. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you the simple formula that you can use to make sure that you have a successful live challenge every single time. So let's dive in. Okay, so first off, we've got to reverse engineer your numbers. It's all about the numbers. Now, sales is all about numbers. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, it all boils down to the numbers. If you get the numbers right, then you will always have a successful challenge. Now, you need to decide first how many courses you want to sell. So, let's say you want to sell 40 courses at the end of your challenge. You need to work out how many people you need to get on your challenge so you can work out what will achieve 40 course sales. So challenges typically convert between 2 and 5%. Now that sounds pretty low, doesn't it? But that is typical numbers. Now, I have a client who converts at 10% on her challenge. Then I have another one who converts at 25%. Now, it doesn't matter what your percentage conversion rate is. As long as you know what that number is, you can work out how many people you need to get on the challenge to get the number of sales you want at the end. So we're going to work on 3%, because if you've never done a challenge, you don't know what you convert at. Once you've done your challenge and you know your conversion rate, then you have a better idea. So if we go on the 3%, the lower end, so what we have to do is some simple maths. So what we do is 40 and we divide that by 3, and that equals 13.3. And then what you do is you multiply that by 100, and that will give us 1,333. So if we're converting at 3%, we need to get 1,333 people to the live challenge. Now, you need to also remember, when people opt into your live challenge, they don't all turn up. So if you went on a 50% show up rate, you need to get 2,666 people to opt into your challenge, which will then give you the 50% show up rate of the 1,333. And if you're converting at 3%, then you're going to get your 40 course sales. Now, if you convert at more than that, then it'll be amazing. But once you know what your conversion rate is, you will be able to reverse engineer those numbers like I just showed you, and you will always achieve what you want. It's just down to the numbers. Now, I really hope you liked this challenge. Really hope you liked this video. And if you want to hit subscribe, like the channel, I'll catch you later.